Real quick video today. I'm gonna try to repair this baseboard. We had a little bit of water kind of hitting here, kind of messed this up. Let me show you real quick what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna paint the walls. I'm gonna paint this wall right here. I just took everything down. This is basically this big toolbox covers up almost all that right there. But I need to do, I already started it. I'm gonna start sanding this down, getting some of this off of here. I'm using 60 grit with my little DA holes there. So I'm gonna sand this all down, and then I'm gonna try to nail this back into place. Try to get it to hold. Kind of got bent because it got a little warped, but I can't find this baseboard locally, so I'm just gonna try to fix it. And I'm just gonna basically just take this stuff, whatever's coming off of here, off. A quick paint, because it has paint on there, but it's kind of, you see, it's kind of dirty already. It's kind of gotten stained with stuff that's just fallen on it. I already kind of brushed it off. Got most of the dust off of here. I'm gonna paint all this edge right here. So let me see if I can prop you up somewhere. I don't have my tripod today, so I'm gonna try to prop you up. So I'll show you what I'm doing. This is Swiss white. Mix up the paint really good. Now it's up to you right here. I'm using the wall. I'm gonna do the wall paint. I'm also gonna use the Kills over the top of that, which is basically like a primer. This stuff right here. Back in the day when I used to paint, we used to just dump it into the bucket and then just slap this stuff on, and we do a room in like 20 minutes, man. But you know, obviously those were before anything was in the house. Didn't matter if you got paint on the floors or anything, but can't do that here. This will take a little bit, but shouldn't be too bad. Now this is a garage, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to cover up some of this. Most of this wall is going to be completely covered up. I have a big toolbox that goes here that I just showed you. Left the roller in here from last time. Yeah. Sweet. Mix that up a little bit. So this next step, we want to use some all-purpose interior-exterior kills. Basically, it's like a primer. So you mix it up. It covers pretty good. I've used it before. I used it on some exterior wood that I had. It worked pretty good. I'm using like an all-purpose roller here. It's kind of thick nap. I like to use these because they cover really good. It dries pretty quick too, so it's kind of nice. Give it a good base coat. That way the paint sticks. The better the primer, the easier your paint's gonna stick. I'm gonna stop right there. I'm not gonna go any further than that. So what I'll do is I'm gonna let that dry. So it's not bad. Got most of it. I got it. I cut to the edge right there. Cut the top, painted that. I tried to get as best I could up there. And I try to blend it into the wall so you can't really tell. I don't want to go all the way over there because I have to take down all those tools. I'm gonna use my finish gun. Damn, I don't know. I mean, it's not great, man. I had to put a bunch of nails because this thing is really crooked. And there's not much for it to grab onto right here. 1,000 nails to get it in there, but it's straight. That is hilarious. There's not any back in here, so it's hard to nail that down to something. But it's as straight as it can be. All right. That bottom was actually like a drain. And then somebody cut out some holes there and put a drain to when water would come in here. It would come in, and because the garage comes down and then this comes down here, so the water has nowhere to go. So it was kind of, if the water would get in, it had somewhere to go out and not just pool there. It's kind of crappy, but water really doesn't get in here anymore. I don't know, I might fill it or figure something out. Okay, so I'm filling this with this stuff right here. Interior spackle. It says it works on wood and all kinds of stuff, so just gotta mix it up really good. And I'm just gonna fill in all this. Not too worried about this. I'm just trying to fill the holes. Maybe I could put some mesh tape on there and then fill it. Put some mesh tape on there. See if this will work. So I tried to rebuild the edge a little bit, but probably shouldn't have. It goes behind a cabinet, who cares? Oh well. I'll sand it down tomorrow. I'll give it another little light coat, but yeah. I'm using a Bare high gloss interior exterior. Now you can use a stick to mix it. I'd rather use this. Oh, that's a lot of paint. Put way too much. I'll paint all this edge, and then I'm going to paint my little boards that go on the side right there. I'm also going to paint it. So I'm pretty much done. Just starting to hang some stuff up. And this is the end result. Like I said, you weren't going to be able to see it. But looks good now. Wall's not all stained. That pretty much does it for the video, guys. Any questions, hit me up. Thanks for watching.